everybody. I'm here to tell you all a little bit about the bioincubator at UDSC. So this bioincubator has been established through the BioNest program funded by DBT BIRAG. BioNest UDSC efforts are being led by the faculty members of the microbiology department in conjunction with other members of the team, which includes our CEO, our technical officer, and our technical associate. The aim of BioNest UDSC is to foster innovation and nurture entrepreneurship by supporting incubators through laboratory infrastructure, instrumentation facilities, and most important of all, mentorship. We have two focus areas: the development of bioactives for the industrial and agricultural sectors, and the development of molecular and diagnostic reagents for the animal and human health sectors. So who can be an incubator? Any individual or scientist or startup who has an innovative idea that they would like to translate into a marketable technology or product, or even an established company who have come up with a new idea, who have a technology which is still in its juvenile stages, which they would like to develop into a marketable technology or product with the help of our facilities and mentorship from us. In addition, my BioNest UDSC will also be conducting various training workshops for students and life science professionals. So we welcome you all to our facility and look forward to moving ahead in many fruitful efforts through collaborations and partnerships. Thank you.
Have an excellent tissue culture room, which is biosafety level 2. The room is well equipped with a CO2 incubator, inverted tissue culture microscope, which is attached with a fluorescent attachment, a small centrifuge, a refrigerator, and a biosafety level 2 tissue culture hood. This biosafety level 2 facility can be used to work with any kind of BSL-2 agent, and all are welcome to use it. Thank you.
In BioNest, we have different size of reactors ranging from 5 liter to 300 liter, which can be used for research and production purpose. For sample processing, we have continuous cell disruption system and cross-flow filtration assembly. We also have freeze dryer and spray dryer at facility. For analysis, we have GC and HPLC.
So we are working on the development of transdermal nanopatches for the treatment of non-melanoma skin cancers. and I am sure that this will completely change the way non-melanoma skin cancers are getting treated in India and in global scenario. So we are incubating here at the Bionest UDSC incubator, and the facilities over here like instrumentation, guidance, mentorship are excellent for a startup to grow.